2021 is a good year for animation cinema industry, as animation technology keeps getting better and better, giving us mind-blowing graphic and quality every day we advance towards the future. However, animated films frequently provide with a one-of-a-kind gift of quickly depiction of our greatest fantasies. Given the current situation of the world, we may require more than ever humorous, wacky and lovely cartoons. Today we are going to talk about top 10 best animated movies 2021. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one and much more. Number 10. SpongeBob 2 SpongeBob on the Run. SpongeBob is one of the most beloved cartoon characters in the world despite children and adults. And this year we have a good SpongeBob movie with awesome eye-catching graphics than usual, and you know how SpongeBob stories are and we all love them. In this movie, SpongeBob and Patrick embark on an adventure to rescue a friend, and more importantly, starring Keanu Reeves, this adventure is going to be a blast. Number 9. Tom and Jerry. The world's most renowned cartoon force reunite for a cat and mouse game on the big screen with a blend of live action and computer animation. Tom is recruited to capture Jerry before he disrupts an important wedding when he takes up home in a small suit at a luxury New York City hotel. The film stars Charles Gray Moretz, Michael P., Colin Jost, Rob Delaney, and Ken Jeong. Number 8. The Mitchell vs. the Machines. The Mitchell vs. the Machines is a 2021 American computer animated science fiction comedy film produced by Sony Pictures Animation. The road journey of a wacky, dysfunctional family is turned on its head when they find themselves in the midst of the robot apocalypse and discover themselves as humanity's unexpected last hope. Number 7. Raya and the Last Dragon. Raya and the Last Dragon, Disney Animation's first Southeast Asian princess, was released to great reviews. On March 5th, it was released on Disney Plus and in theaters. And it has a Rotten Tomatoes rating of 95%. Raya, a teenage warrior, must find the last remaining dragon to restore peace in the land of Kumandra in this fantasy tale from the creator of Moana and Frozen. Raya is played by Kelly Marie Tran from The Last Jedi, and Sisu the Dragon is played by Awkwafina. Number 6. Demon Slayer. Before its theatrical premiere in the United States on April 23, Demon Slayer Mugen Train had already ridden the rails to tremendous box office success internationally, surpassing 21's massively popular Spirited Away in terms of anime film grosses. The sequel to a renowned Japanese TV series and manga directed by Haruo Sotosaki follows Tanjiro, a young lad who battles demons on the train alongside a group of Demon Slayer in order to save his sister, who has been turned into a demon. On Rotten Tomatoes, the film has a rating of 97%. Number 5. Peter Rabbit 2. The renowned James Corden-voiced Rabbit is back on the big screen of another round. The sequel, which stars Domhnall Gleeson and Rose Byrne in a live-action role as Thomas and Bay, finds Peter Rabbit and his furry friends running around in big city after they run away from home attempt a farmer's market heist and get caught up with some shady characters. Number 4. Flora and Ulysses. Flora and Ulysses, based on Kate DiCamillo's novel, looks at how slipped under many people's attention in terms of its release on Disney Plus on February 19. Flora, a 10-year-old comic book fan and self-described cynic who rescues an squirrel she calls Ulysses. After an accident, Ulysses, played by Kon Kazir, has superpower and vows to become a superhero. Number 3. Minions: The Rise of Gru. The original story of Gru with the help of his minions, 20-year-old felonious Gru aims to prove his worth to a group of supervillains by showing them exactly how nasty he can be in the sequel to the spin-off prequel to Despicable Me. If your loved one is a fan of the Minions, The Rise of Gru is guaranteed to provide plenty of adventures with the little yellow denim overall wearing goons. Number 2. The Addams Family 2. They are frightening and weird, and they are returning for another chapter. Due this Halloween, when the world will hopefully return to normal, they are about to bring the abnormal. The animated take on the classic Gothic family will feature and same cast Charles Gray Moretz, Charlize Theron, Nick Kroll, Bette Midler, Snoop Dogg, Oscar Isaac, and don't forget Will Harder and Javon Walton. So far, that's all known to us. Number 1. Space Jam 2: A New Legacy. The wait for sequels in 1960s Space Jam will be over shortly. LeBron James, Bugs Bunny, and the rest of the Looney Tunes gang will star in the new film as they dribble Doorway through a new virtual adventure that cloud include appearance from Warner Bros. Villain like Voldemort and Pennywise, as Leon and his little kid Bronny are trapped in a digital realm organized by a villain and must play their way out. The crossover possibilities are boundless. It's a parenting movie according to Leon because a character must come to terms with his son's genuine ambition and talents, even if they differ from his own. That's it for today's video. See you guys in another video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.